Hi, so today we'll be doing giving presents for an age of a girl or a boy, and we are going to have a look around this tree to try and find the same age as us.
It's called the giving tree, isn't it?
Yeah, the giving tree.
Okay.
But let's go. A boy 3.
There's one here, Imi.
How old?
A girl, 10 to 13.
Yeah.
Here's a boy one for you. And then you have to go and choose them a present, and we'll pay for it, and then we attach the tag to it.
Guys, get one.
Yeah, I'm going to get this one for you.
So, I got this one.
This will tell them who it's for. Ben, here's your one to hold. Now we're going to go to the toys. So I think we should stick to about £5 or so.
We'll do
Ben, how about you
£10.
choose some cars?
You only get in £10. In £10.
Yeah, Ben, we're not getting a present for you. We're getting a present for someone else.
Hello.
What did you choose?
I chose Kari and I got a card. And I should have want to buy those.
Oh, what did you get him?
Colouring pencils and a diary.
Good choice. So after the giving tree, we had dinner, and then I went out to make my wreath, and I'll show you how I did it. So I began with a wire ring, and I took moss and wrapped a piece of wire around it, which was on a reel, and I just kept adding moss until it was nice and thick, because that was the base for my wreath. And a couple of times. Then I took little bunches of different kinds of pine and wound those round, each new little bunch laying over the binding of the other one, of the previous one. So I ended up making a whole circle, and this was just the base layer, so I used 3 or 4 different kinds of foliage that were wrapped around it. I alternated the bunches, and next I added details. So I added eucalyptus, I added some ivy with berries and some seed pods, and they just added a little bit of extra detail and some finishing touches. I tied off the end of the wire, and then I didn't film this bit, but I added a backing to stop the door being made dirty. And here is my finished wreath. I think it looks really nice. It's quite different from last year in that I used Oasis last year. I'd never done one before with this kind of wire mesh backing. So there we go. And I just used a piece of green ribbon to attach it.